Hello Sugar Plums, welcome back to my channel. Now today's DIYs guys is a very easy one and a very unique one as well. Today I'm gonna be making a Constellation wall decor, and to do that guys I'm gonna be using some canvas panel and some skewers. Basically guys, if you don't have a canvas panel, you can use just a regular canvas, or you can use like a big picture frame. All you have to do is remove the glass in it and just use the cardboard backing for your the frame part. Now after I went and cut like another canvas panel that I had and cut some strip on it just so I can make like a frame, and I glued them to the canvas panel that I have, and then I went and spray painted in a silver metallic color. And then after that, after everything is dry, I went with a glitter, silver glitter Mod Podge mixture, and then now I'm adding the silver glitter Mod Podge mixture onto the whole canvas, including the part of the frame itself. Now after I finish doing that guys, I'm gonna go ahead with some crushed glass that I got from Michael's. I'll leave a link of everything that I use in the description box below for you guys. Now I know they don't have it at Michael's anymore. They are out of stock unfortunately, but I'll try to leave another one for you that I found on Amazon, and I think it's the IKEA one. But anyway guys, after I finished adding my crushed glass, I went with another coat of Mod Podge, and then after that I went and add more silver glitter, and after everything is dry, this is what it's gonna be looking like. Very beautiful, very shiny, a lot of stars, because we are making a constellation, so yes, we need a lot of stars. Now this is the skewers that I'm gonna be using guys. I'm using just the regular original type of skewers, and they are 12 inches long, and also got those two different type of skewers guys. I can't remember where or when I got them, but I remember it was a long time ago, so I'm sorry I don't know where I got those. But you don't have to have the same type of skewer, you can have any type of skewer that you want. But anyway, those are 10 inches and 5 inches long, and then I'm for those two different type of skewers, I'm gonna go ahead and use them to make a frame, and that frame is gonna have the constellation design on it. Now to make the frame itself, all I did is that I took like 3 longer skewers, and then I'm gonna glue them together to make the longer side of the frame, and then one long and one short one to make the shorter side of the frame. After I finish having gluing the 4 side together, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them together and make a frame. That's easy guys. And if you don't want to use skewers to make the frame guys, you can just use like any type of other frame that you have, but you need to have the frame in order for you to make the constellation design. Now to do the constellation part, I'm gonna be using the regular straight skewers, and all I'm doing guys, I'm gonna cut like the pointy side because I don't need that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a separation in the middle, and for that I'm gonna use 4 of the long one, and I'm gonna go ahead just measure it to size because we need it to fall into the frame, so you have to measure it. There's no type of measurement I can give you guys. You just have to measure it and cut the part that you need to cut. Once I finished doing the middle part, I went and glued them together guys, and the only reason I'm placing this on the frame right now is just to see the position of where I want my design to be, but I'm not gluing the skewer frame to the canvas frame yet. So all I'm doing right now guys, I'm just measuring where I want to cut, and then cut it and then glue them together, and that's all I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna be making my constellation, and to do the constellation guys, there's no right or wrong design. You just have to make whatever design that you please, make whatever point you want to make. And I'm gonna go ahead and use like 7 different points on my constellation. This is where I'm gonna place my bigger jewels, and it's just meaningful to your life, what you want to say to your constellation, what you want your constellation to say about you. Me, I'm doing 7 points because I think there is like 7 points in my life that's like more meaningful than every other ones. So that's what I want to say. And my constellation by the way is named the Bellary constellation. Yes. Now after I went and spray painted in a metallic gold color guys, I went and let it dry, and then now I'm using a bling wrap, a silver bling wrap, and I'm gonna go over the the frame part of the canvas to cover any imperfection, and also it's gonna add more bling, a blingy, beautifulness to the whole design. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. This is what my constellation design looked like after we went and spray painted in gold. Now this is the part I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing it to my canvas panel. Now once I finish gluing it to my canvas panel, guys, now we are literally like 70% done with the whole thing. Now this is the best part, and this is the part that I like the most. It's gonna be, adding jewels and like stones and beautiful jewelry to my design. Now I'm gonna be using those 7 like flowery brooch pendant type, and those are from totally Dazzle, guys. I highly recommend them, guys. I love their product. They have really high quality product, and they are super cheap. I'll leave the link for the website for you guys on the description box below if you want to check them out. I will also be using some jewels from Amazon. Those are loose stone. I'm gonna be using bigger and smaller one. Also this beautiful shiny sticky rhinestone, guys. They are real stone, by the way, guys, and I absolutely love that. I will be using them also on my design. Now I'm gonna be using that the sticky gemstone first. I went and add them in the middle of the design, the middle of the separation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Totally Dazzle jewels for my constellation design. Now I have 7 again, guys. This is the 7 big stars that I'm gonna be making on my constellation, and I have like 2 pairs of the same design. Basically I have 7, so 3 pairs of the same thing plus 1 silver one that's gonna be just by itself. The other 6 one are gold, and I'm making them right now. And basically, guys, those are the 7 point of my life, my birth, when I became a teenager, when I met my husband, when we got married, when I had my first and second child, and where I'm at right now. This is the 7 big part of my life, guys. There is nothing much to it. Again, the design is up to you, what you want to choose and what you want to say. Again, guys, this is what the Bellary design constellation look like. So after I finish adding my 7 big stars, if you want to call them like this, the flowery stars, I'm gonna go ahead and with the big jewels from Amazon, I'm gonna place them on the part that where I glue the skewers together. You have to hide those, and what better way to hide them than to add more jewels? And those are like stars. Basically the jewels are representing stars. So when you look at the sky, you see big one, you see smaller one, you see tiny little one. So we're gonna go ahead and try to represent all that by adding bigger jewels, smaller one, and tiny little stones. That's what I'm doing right now, guys. And then for the part of the frame itself, the corner of the frame, I went with the sticky jewel stone jewel again, and I went and cut strip of like 1 row and added them to connect the big stone to the smaller stone. And then because those are like real stone themselves, and they're super shiny when light hit them, those are gonna be the speck of stars that we see in the fallway, stars sky, guys. And this is basically what this DIY is, guys. It's just making like having a lot of shininess, a lot of blingy, stones, and the design that you wanna draw, and what you want your design to say about your life. You choose how many points you think is meaningful in your life, how many period, and that's it. That's all you're gonna be doing, guys. After I went and added all my stars on the skewers, and I'm just gonna go ahead to finish the whole thing and use like a 2 row of bling wrap to cover the rough part of the edge of the side edges of the canvas panel itself. Now that's it. That's all it is to this DIY. This DIY was super easy, guys, and very meaningful. I actually did like 3 different DIYs using skewers. I'm gonna be posting the other video by Saturday, either Saturday or Sunday. I'll be posting another video showing you different design that gonna make it a skewer, guys. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit the bell icon to be notified on all my new upload, guys. Leave me a like if you like this video, guys, and thank you again, guys, for all the beautiful comments, all the beautiful, you know, likes, and guys, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really love this, guys. And this is what my design is looking like on the wall. As you can see, it's very shiny, it's very beautiful, and you can see the constellation part very, very pronounced on the canvas, and that's why you need to have the skewers and the frame part of it. And this is what it look like, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you check the next video that I'll be posting out on Saturday for more skewer design. And guys, again, thank you so much. I can believe I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, guys, and I only started my first YouTube video on June last year, guys. This is crazy to me. So thank you so much for all your love and support, guys. I really appreciate that. And also, once I hit my 5,000 subscribers, guys, I'll be having another giveaway on my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. And I'll see you soon. And as always, guys, be blessed and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.